I'm in the kitchen at the moment and I'm going to be doing this very simple recipe. It doesn't complicate it, but this is on Chef Ricardo Healthy Side Recipes YouTube channel. But I decided to do the video and to share this on an amazing recipe. So I've got 3 medium-sized carrot, which I'm already cut up. All right. So what I'm going to do, here it is. 3 medium-sized carrot, which I'm already cut up. I'm going to put them straight into the blender like this. All right. Right now, and this is the next one. So right there, that's 3 medium-sized carrot, which I'm already washed off, and I cut them up. And I said to myself, I'm going to be making lovely carrot juice. Do you know that carrot is also very good for weight loss, very good for your eyesight, and very good for the immune system? I'm telling you. Also, I have some ginger, which I'm going to also put inside of it, a large portion of ginger. And also, right here, I have some lemon, roughly half of a lemon, which I'm already cut up. I'm going to put that straight inside of it. The only thing I don't have is some sea moss, which I'm going to be making some sea moss very soon because I got some more sea moss, but I just need to get some more time to make some sea moss. All right. Secondly, we're going to put roughly about 1.5 cups of water because you need to make the blender free up when it's blending. So we're going to put roughly about 1.5 cups of water inside of it. All right. Then once you do this, and the reason why I like to use this blender because carrot is a little bit stained. All right. So we're going to blend up this right now. All right. So yeah. This is the way it look. Amazing, guys. Honestly, I love it. So we're gonna do some noise right now in the kitchen. So let's make some noise. Okay, lovely. So I just finished blending it, and that's the way it look inside of the blender. So basically, I'm just simply showing you exactly what you can do if you have some leftover carrot at home. You can make yourself some nice, lovely Michi Boo. What's going on, man? Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Nice to see you again. All right. So right here we go. And what we're going to do next is we're going to run it through our strainer, which is going to be a little bit more easier. I'm going to be using the big bowl. All right. Then we're going to just simple pour it out like this. All right. Because I like to use the big bowl, sit down into the bowl, and everything goes really good. All right. Then use a spoon and just mix it around. So that looking good, guys, as I can see. Eat Good TV. Big up yourself, man. Thank you so much for coming on the show. I appreciate the love. All right. Now, about 5% of it comes straight inside of it, as you can see it for yourself. And that's why you see it looks so rich and nice. I'm always using this strainer because some of the fiber get to go inside of it. All right. And that is lovely. Yeah, I love to do it this kind of way because some of the fiber do definitely go inside of it and it makes the difference, honestly. So look at this. That is amazing. Wow. Now that is rich and looking really good. So hopefully we can have enough. All right, right here, this is our glass. And yeah, so I did not use any sugar or sweetener or honey inside of it. I just keep it real and authentic. All right, you don't need to add any ice. You just want to drink it naturally like this. Wow. All right. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. Just look at that, guys. That is just excellent and an amazing. The flavor and the texture is so beautiful. I would encourage you guys, if you can make this at home, definitely give it a try and give it a go. All right, beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. If you like the recipe, you know exactly what to do. Just leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, because we got a lot more recipes like this will be coming from Chef Ricardo to you.